Hey y'all, it's Ray.
RaynKae.
And welcome back to our channel. Okay, so.
You singing like shit. Channel.
What we got for them today, Kay?
Alright, y'all. So today we are making. Come on, get it.
Fried Oreos.
So now, y'all, but today it is a cooking with RaynKae type of day. Episode 1, y'all. Episode 1. So let's go ahead and get into what you need. So, Ray, you take care of this half. I'm gonna take care of this half.
Okay, so which way you going?
You read.
Okay, so we got pan.
You need that to fry it. Okay, y'all, he don't cook nothing, so bear with him.
And you got pure vegetable oil. You know, get the oil going, it's a little greasy. Got a spoon and you got a bowl. So everything goes in, you know, do all that good stuff.
Alright, and then you need a measuring cup. I got this spoon too, because in case, like, I was gonna try this one, and then if this one was too short, I was gonna do that one. You're gonna need eggs, your pancake mix. We're using off-brand because we're college students and it's a struggle, okay? Alright, next you're going to need your Oreos. You can get fancy with it if you want to. I say like birthday cake, red velvet, mint. We just gonna keep it normal. And then to decorate it, we're going to use powdered sugar, you know. Put that little splash in there. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and get this oil heated. So I'm gonna take this pan.
Take the pan.
And then I'm gonna take the vegetable oil.
Take the vegetable oil. Come on.
I'm gonna just pour it in there.
How much you pouring?
Shit. I mean, I don't measure, okay? When you a real cook, you don't need to measure.
Oh, that was a shot.
Yeah, that was one shot of vodka, y'all.
I'm talking about a shot towards me. You say I'm a real cook.
Oh, yes, that was a shot.
Yeah, that was 2 shots of vodka.
So I'm gonna just place this on the stove on medium heat. Okay? You want it medium, okay? You never want your oil to be too hot, because then that's when it get the popping, and then you're gonna get burnt.
But real cooks get burnt, so.
Real cooks do get burnt maybe a couple times. Alright, so to
not
make.
all the damn time.
Right, not all the time. Now to make the batter, we're gonna take 2 eggs. You wanna help me?
Okay.
Help me, cause you just sitting here.
I don't want to make no mistakes, y'all.
Okay, you know how to crack an egg, Raymond? I wash my hands right away because I don't do that salmonella.
Don't do that what?
Salmonella.
What are you saying? What is you saying?
See, that's how you know you don't cook. If you gotta be real careful with raw eggs because you can get salmonella.
What's that?
It's some type of disease you get from raw eggs. So now I'm just gonna beat the egg. I'm gonna just
beat the egg. Beat the hell out of it. Beat the heck.
See, we beating the egg till it's like yellow.
Okay.
So now, all right, it's beat. Oh shit. Oh shit.
What you do? You was a dummy.
Right.
You are so dumb.
So this spoon is too. Oh, this spoon is too small. So I'm gonna toss this one. It did its job though, as far as beating the egg. So now we're gonna take the baking powder. This is the pancake mix.
Okay, no, don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Please take your time. Take your time.
I'm gonna get the cookies ready. While you do that, I'll just get the cookies ready.
You getting them ready, but you eating them.
Read it.
What?
You gotta pour it in there.
What am I pouring?
You don't even know how much to pour.
You didn't tell me. You just told me to pour.
I said read it. It's on the back. Right here, pancake.
2 cups.
Okay, 2 cups.
Alright. See, look at you making a mess, Michaela. Making me do shit.
Raymond. You're so dumb. Pour the powder. Y'all, this is Cooking with Dummies 101. With a dummy, I'm sorry. Raymond, more powder. Give me the damn shit. Give me this. More of the powder is going around the whole cup. Raymond. Oh my God, why'd you rip the bag like that? Jesus. Help this young soul.
Oh, why is it coming out like that? Come on, my cup.
2,000 years later.
1 cup of milk. Shit.
It still got powder in it.
It's alright. It's gonna help get the powder out. So I don't got time for you and your shenanigans that you done created. Now we mix until it's a pancake batter. This is when the flick of the wrist comes into play. How well can you flick your wrist? Let's get the whipping. Let's see how the flick of your wrist works. Yo, your wrist sloppy.
It's heavy.
Alright. Alright.
It's over.
Alright, I'm gonna bring you guys over here so you can see what we doing. Alright, Raymond. So show them what we doing. We're gonna take the cookies, dunk it in there, and then we're going to dunk it into the oil. So let's go, Ray.
Okay.
Grab the cookie.
Where am I putting it?
Huh?
Where am I putting the cookie?
Did you really just say that?
Where am I putting the cookie, Michaela? Am I putting it in here?
Raymond, put it in here.
Okay.
And then get on my nerves. You're gonna put it in there.
Okay.
Let me do the demonstration. You're just gonna put it in here, dunk it, flip it, you know, get it all battered up. Bring the bowl with me over to the thing. Come on. So we over here, and then I'm gonna take the Oreo, Cheerio, and then we're gonna just. What the fuck happened?
Oh.
And there you go. It's in there. You see that? That's not that hard. Thank you.
Popping and stuff.
Cause it's frying.
Y'all like to get popped and all that.
That's what we about to do. Now I'm about to put y'all back over here. Where am I Raymond, stop! Don't drop it in there, cause then it's gonna pop back.
Oh.
And then you're gonna cause a fire. Shit.
You can't even get it.
Catch it.
It's like an egg. Hurry up and get it before it burns.
Well, you got 2 hands, Raymond.
You want me to dig in the oil?
You need to.
Talking.
Raymond, if you open your mouth. I like making these.
It's gonna pop.
No, it's not. Only with the water.
That thing was talking.
Here, rinse this off. Here, rinse it off and come pick it up.
Come pick what up?
Hold on. Let me put this one in there.
Pick it out from the oil?
Yeah.
That's the devil's den. You do it. I'm not doing all that.
Then this is the RaynKae show.
Alright, come on. I'm gonna try, but
Go
if
ahead.
I burn myself, Michaela, you taking me to the hospital.
Alright.
45 minutes away. I hope you're ready.
Alright.
process faster.
Oh, now you're thinking about the process. Raymond! Give it to me. Give this to me.
It don't like me. If you do the same thing I
It's
did.
back up.
It's the water.
Yes. Fine. So you skipped chemistry. All right, you guys. So.
Oh, okay.
All right, you guys. So we made fried. They ain't want to be in it.
Okay, you want to try it?
No, we gotta make it look good.
Why are you decorating stuff? Why are you decorating?
Why are you so basic?
Why can't I just we just went through all that, now you want to sprinkle stuff.
That's, when you get them, that's how they look. They come with powdered donut. Just need a little pinch.
That's ugly.
That is
She
not
said she's
ugly.
talking about something she want to be pretty. That's pretty, y'all. Comment below. Let me know if that's pretty. Please let me know if that's pretty. If that's pretty to y'all.
Shut up.
That looks like she just threw it on there. That's pretty.
You like a fried Oreo.
I need somebody to eat that.
Ain't do nothing this entire video. You gonna try this damn cookie. Don't be getting your saliva all on the other, contaminating the other ones.
It just tastes like bread on an Oreo.
Don't try to knock the Oreo. Let me try this shit.
It's good though.
I'm partial. This shit good. I'm talking about. That's some good shit. You want to taste one? It's like an Oreo pancake. Well, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our Cooking with RaynKae episode 1.
It was messy, bro.
And he ain't really do nothing. So, but this was good. Our creation was very good. You see, I'm still saying our. I'm a team player. Our creation was very delicious. What you think?
It's alright.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back with another video.
See y'all.